is a functional PayPal account with 0.10 USD. So as you can see, this PayPal account is functioning right here in Nigeria. You can use this PayPal account to send payment. Let me just open it. It says pay and get paid. So right here, if I want to make some payment, I can send money. If I want to request for my money, I can request for money. You can use this payment, this PayPal, for whatever it is that you want it for. Maybe as a website payment gateway, as whatever you want for your client to be sending your money to you. So this is how you can open. I'll be showing you in this video how you can open a functional PayPal account right here in Nigeria or from any. Hello beautiful people, how are you doing? You're welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please do it to subscribe. For a returning subscriber, will love you. So guys, we now have a Telegram channel, Save Hustlers. Please, I will not message you, I will not drop my number, I will not message you or beg you for anything, but rather every other thing I have to say will be posted on the channel. So please do well to stay away from scammers. And if you want to perform any transaction on that channel, please inform me. Inform the admin first. I don't know if you understand. Inform the admin first before you perform anything. So let's just head straight. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can open your PayPal account that will be functional in Nigeria. Although there might be some limitations, maybe depending on the area or whatever. But the point is, it is functional in Nigeria. You can receive money. Before we continue this video, let me just open my Gmail for you guys to see that I've had this. I've opened my PayPal account and it's working. So I'll just minimize this video. I have it somewhere. Okay, this is my inbox. As you can see, this is my inbox. So I'll just click on. As you can see, it's scrolling. This is my inbox. As you can see, I'm a subscriber of VidaQ, Quora. I don't know how to call it, pronounce it or something like that. So Remo tax. I'll be making a video on this Remo tax because I've been working on Remo tax for some time now, or I've been working with them for some time now, but it's been a long time. So I'll be making a video of it. You can earn by performing activities, but you have to go through their process, their screening. How will I put it? They have a screening process for you to know that they can pay as high as $50 in a week because their payout is weekly. They can pay you $10, $20, depending on how you can work on their website. So, and you'll be going through their training. They have a training phase where once you sign up, the first thing you do is to go through their training, then you do their test, then you start your payment. The only thing about these remote tax is you don't run out of activities and they pay you in dollars. So because some of you have been requesting that I create a video on PayPal account, on opening of PayPal in Nigeria or from anywhere. So that's why I want to create a video on that. So please stay with me to the end of this video so you don't miss it. This is another video. This is another message from PayPal service. So I'll just go to this one here. I'll click it. It's loading. As you can see, the name of my username on the website, or my name on the website, is Anjorin Oluwakemi. So as you can see, this is it. Hi, Anjorin Oluwakemi. We're making some changes to our legal agreement that will apply to you. There is no action needed from you today, but if you would like to learn more, you can find details about these changes. Now, PayPal will never send you this message if you do not have account with them. You understand? They will never send you this message if you do not have account with them, unless you have an account with them. Now, this message has been with me. They sent me this message since 2021. Yeah, November 2021. I've had this account with them before now. You understand? So this message came in on the 15th of November 2021. So imagine 2021 till date, and the PayPal is still functioning and they're still messaging me. So this is what a PayPal account should. This is what a registered PayPal account should be doing. Messaging you from time to time. So I'll just head straight to my Chrome browser and I'll show you guys how you can open an account with PayPal. Yeah, so this is my Chrome browser. So I'll just type in paypal.com, paypal.com, or you can type in PayPal. Once you type in PayPal, you see it says log into your PayPal account. This is PayPal. The legit PayPal has this P with this dark blue and light blue color. It says PayPal sign in. So I'll be clicking on the first link. PayPal is PAYPAL.com. You understand? I'll be clicking on the first link, but I'll be dropping the link to PayPal on the Telegram channel. So do what to join the community so that we can, share ideas, talk, and do necessary giveaway. So it says log into your PayPal account. So I just click on this log into your PayPal account, but instead of logging in, you're going to click on sign up. It already has this Nigeria arrow, as you can see. Take a good look at it very well. It already has this Nigeria arrow, which is stating that you're signing up from Nigeria or you're logging in from Nigeria. We just click on the sign up button. So the first thing you have to do is to input your phone number. It already has the +234. You understand? And it has the Nigerian flag already. So what you just do is to input your phone number. So I'll be inputting one phone number. I'm not sure if the phone number will be acceptable because I've used 65. So after inputting the phone number, you click on the sign up button and it will bring you to this security challenge page. Now, I don't know if it brings up security challenge for everybody, but this is the security challenge page and you click on start the challenge. Wow. Pick the dice pair with the same icon facing up. So now you have to pick a dice here and the dice has to be paired with the same icon facing up. I basically don't know why my phone is shaking like this, but probably maybe it's from their website or something. I don't know. So take a look at all these dials with the one that is facing up with the same icon. So I guess I will be picking this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This fifth one. I'll be picking the fifth one because the fifth one has two ends on both dice facing up. Another one. So let me see. Another one. Let me see. I'll be picking the last one here because the last one has the dot facing up. Two done. I have to pick another one. I'll be picking the second one because the second one has something like a hammer or a keyhole, I don't know, facing up. Three done. So which one? I'll be picking this one. I think it's still the same thing. This one. Four done. I'm left with one. Oh boy, people will sweep your brain. So I'll be picking this one. It has two crowns facing up. I'm left with 5 of 7. Ha. Are you a little by you? Ha. Okay, I'm picking this one. Ha. 6 of 7. Hey. Now for the 7th one, I'll be picking the hand facing up again. So I think our security is verified. So the next one, our security challenge is complete. The next one is that they will send you a code and you have to input the code because I've seen the code. Now I have to input the code. 168272. Okay. 168272. Even if I say it out, you won't be able to input it because it is just for one registration. So the next one is to set up your profile. You enter your email address, you enter your first name, you enter your last name, you create your password, and then you hit the next button. So I'll be doing that now. Please, you have to be careful with the registration, and if you're creating two PayPal accounts, kindly don't do it on the same phone. You understand? You can do one on the system and the other one on the phone. Now, this one that says you create your password, now you have some things to look out for. If not, it will be rejecting your password. It has to be 8 or more characters. You understand? 8 or more characters. It means if you're counting from 1, 2, 3 up to 8, anything you are inputting must be up to 8. If you are inputting a phone number, it has to be up to 8. If you are inputting any digit, it has to be up to 8, and it must include letters, numbers, and symbols. Now, this is one thing that is acceptable by almost all financial whatever, because they believe that it makes your password strong and people cannot hack your whatever through that. So it has to have letters, it has to have numbers, it has to have symbols. So let me use, for example, if I'm using Anna. If I'm to use Anna as ANNA. Now, my Anna, the first A will be capitalized. The first A will be capitalized. Then small letter NNA. Then maybe I want to add numbers. You understand? I will just add like 2, 3, 4. Anna 2, 3, 4. Then I have to add a symbol, either an underscore, a plus, a bracket, a dollar symbol, an asterisk, or the at symbol. Now, you can be using the asterisk symbol or the dollar symbol or the plus. Anyone that you will easily remember is what you use. So you click on the next button. So after clicking on the next button, you have to add your address. Use one that's on your bill. It means that this address and your postal code has to be the one that is on your bill. You can go to Chrome browser, you can open a new tab here up here, and you check for postcode. Postcode Lagos. Let me see. Ojodu Beggar Lagos. You use a postcode, Ojodu Beggar Lagos. You can use any of these. You can use anyone. You can use Shagam. You can use any locality. Just ask, and then the postcode is either you cram it or you copy it. You understand? You cram it or you copy it. But I'll just cram it, 102109. And then I'll go back to where I'm signing up. It's already here. Nationality is already Nigerian. The next one is date of birth, address line 1, address line 2 is quite optional, but you can input it. Then your city, you input your city, Lagos, or let me just input Ogun because I'm in Ogun State. So I input Ogun. Postal code 12. Sorry, I have to check. My brain note to 122109. 122109. And then the state. Okay, let me just use Ogun State. City, sorry. I'll use either Shagam or Ijebu. So I just use Ijebu. So address line 1, I'll fill it in. So after filling in, you have to tick this box. Stay logged in for faster checkout. I confirm that I have read and agreed to the paper, blah blah blah. You tick both option in and you click on agree and create account. So once you click on this agree and create account, they will create an account for you. Now, the next thing you have to do on your account, I'll be opening my own account now, so I'll show you the things you will do on the account. Because you have to fill in your details on the account and update some things before you can start receiving payments on the account. So guys, it's loading. This is how your dashboard will look like. Okay, considering that it says I need to take some actions, but not necessary. Link and confirm my debit card. You can link and confirm your debit card, and if you don't want it, you just leave it. As you can see, I have 0.10 USD in the account. This account has been around for years. So you can do whatever you want on this account. You can transfer money, you can receive money. House of Kema. Now, House of Kema is quite my business name, which I'm using, but on Instagram, I guess I'm using something else. So, as you can see, this is the account. Now, please fill in the details. Fill in your details, like your profile details, your information, the activities that you're supposed to do. This is the home dashboard. This is the activity pay and get paid. So this is a functional PayPal account that you can pay and also receive money with the same account. So for payment, for invoice, for sending payment, to send payment, to request money, you can, this is a functional PayPal account, believe you me. So you can request money, you can receive your money, you can use it as a gateway to sell things to international clients online. You can send payments, other things as well. So this is how you can create a functional PayPal account in Nigeria. Account settings, your account has to be well set. Like, you have to set your account, put in your all the informations. Now, please do not do anything that has to do with business. Anything that you want to be doing on PayPal should be personal things. Maybe they ask you to input your business, whatever, just tell them that you're doing it personal. You get? Or you should input, or you can click on self-employed. You get? You can click on personal or self-employed. You can use your PayPal to receive your website's payment from international whatever business. So guys, this is basically how you can create and verify a working PayPal account. You understand? Now, for you to also verify it, I think you have to you have to link your debit card. And if you don't want to link your debit card, it is just so fine, because you can still use it to receive payment and withdraw your earnings on PayPal. So as you can see, I have $0.10 here right now. So that is basically how you can open a functioning PayPal account.